The Land of Dreamers. Chapter 1. The Enchanted Awakening. In the Land of Dreamers, a place tucked away from the mundane world, there was an ethereal beauty that captured the hearts of all who discovered it. The land was known for its vibrant landscapes, whimsical creatures, and the magic that permeated every corner. Within this enchanted realm, a young girl named Lily found herself in a deep slumber. Chapter 2. The Call of Adventure. As Lily slept, her dreams became increasingly vivid. She found herself standing on the edge of a mystical forest, its trees shimmering with a golden hue. A melodious voice called out to her, urging her to embark on a journey to save the land of dreamers from an impending darkness. Intrigued and filled with a newfound sense of purpose, Lily followed the voice deeper into the forest. Chapter 3. The Fellowship of Dreams. Inside the forest, Lily encountered a group of magical beings who had dedicated their lives to preserving the dreams of the land. There was Orion, the wise and enigmatic elf, Luna, a mischievous fairy with a heart full of courage, and Atlas, a gentle giant who possessed immense strength. Together, they formed the Fellowship of Dreams and joined Lily on her quest. Chapter 4. Trials and Tribulations. As the Fellowship of Dreams ventured through the Land of Dreamers, they faced various trials and tribulations. They encountered riddles posed by talking trees, crossed treacherous bridges guarded by mystical creatures, and navigated through labyrinthine caves. Each challenge tested their determination and forged their bond as a team. Chapter 5. The Fountain of Hope. Guided by an ancient map, the Fellowship of Dreams arrived at the heart of the land, a sacred place called the Fountain of Hope. It was said that the fountain held the power to restore the fading dreams and protect the land from darkness. However, the fountain had been poisoned by a malevolent force, draining it of its magic. Chapter 6. Confronting the Darkness. To cleanse the Fountain of Hope, the Fellowship of Dreams had to confront the embodiment of darkness itself, an entity known as the Shadow King. With Lily's newfound strength and the unwavering support of her companions, they engaged in an epic battle against the malevolent being, harnessing the magic within themselves. Chapter 7. A Glimmer of Light. In the climactic battle, Lily's determination and courage unleashed a surge of pure light that banished the Shadow King from the Land of Dreamers. The Fountain of Hope began to glow once more, its healing magic replenishing the land. The dreams of the inhabitants flourished, filling the air with joy and wonder. Chapter 8. The Return Home. With their mission accomplished, the Fellowship of Dreams bid farewell to the Land of Dreamers. Lily, filled with gratitude and a sense of accomplishment, woke up in her own bed, carrying with her the memories of her extraordinary adventure. She realized that the power of dreams extended beyond the realm she had visited, it was within everyone's grasp. Chapter 9. Spreading the Magic. Inspired by her experiences, Lily became an advocate for the power of dreams. She shared her story with others, encouraging them to embrace their imagination and pursue their aspirations. Lily's tale resonated with people far and wide, igniting a spark of hope and creativity in their hearts. Chapter 10. Everlasting Dreams. As time passed, the Land of Dreamers thrived under the protection of the Fellowship of Dreams. Lily's legacy endured, as generations of dreamers found solace and inspiration in the stories of her adventures. The Land of Dreamers became a beacon of hope, a place where dreams were nurtured, and the magic of imagination lived on for eternity.